Ready, start. A. Perusal of the aforesaid clarification shows that any employee who submits paper even up to the date of retirement can seek benefit of the instructions stop. The date of retirement of the petitioner was third stop. The application was admittedly filed by him on second comma, hence the same cannot be said to be belated stop. Another condition in the aforesaid clarification is that the disability should have occurred prior to the date an employee attains the age of 58 years stop. In the present case, it is not in dispute that the petitioner had suffered injury and had to be operated upon for amputation of his right leg before he had attained the age of 58 years stop. The ground on which the case of the petitioner for extension in service has been rejected is totally misconceived and in fact shows total insensitiveness and non-application of mind by the authorities stop. In fact, the manner in which the case of the petitioner has been dealt with is defeated the very purpose for which the instructions have been issued stop. The impugned communication wide which the case of the petitioner was rejected shows that the reason given is that the application had to be submitted 3 months before the date of retirement stop. While rejecting the case of the petitioner on that ground, the authorities have failed to appreciate the fact that the instructions oblique clarification issued by the government on 4th clearly provided that application for extension in service could be filed before the last date of retirement stop. However, normally it should be filed 3 months in advance, but in the present case, the application could not be filed 3 months in advance before the reason that the petitioner acquired permanent disability nearly a month before the date of his retirement. Hence, rejection of the case of the petitioner on the ground is totally misconceived and deserves to be set aside stop. Respondents are directed to take the petitioner back in service forthwith and allow him to continue till the age of 60 years as per rules oblique instructions stop. As the case of the petitioner for extension in service was rejected with total non application of mind and even ignoring the instructions clarifications issued by the state government, and as a result of which the petitioner was made to rush to this court, respondents are burdened with cost which shall be paid to the petitioner by way of bank draft within stop.